There are chemicals in everyday products that we bring into our home that we know from lab tests have links to cancer and developmental disorders and sort of long-term health effects. These chemicals aren't always listed in the products that we buy. You know, sometimes the ingredients aren't listed at all, but they get into our homes. They get into our air and our dust and our water, and then when they wash down the drain, they also get into our waterways and our rivers. So given the fact that there's a lot of stuff you can't control, I really advise that people control the stuff that they can. One good place to start is with cleaning products. There are hundreds and hundreds of cleaning products out there on the shelves. You walk down the aisles of a big supermarket and the choices are infinite. But when it comes right down to it, you really only need simple ingredients to accomplish your cleaning. I think a lot of times people might pick up a bottle of dish detergent, for example, and there's no ingredients listed on that dish detergent, and it looks like it's one simple ingredient, soap, right? But then when you look a little bit closer and you start investigating, you'll find out that a bottle of dish detergent might have 13 different ingredients in it. There might be something to make it blue, something to give it a fragrance, something to make it foamier, something to keep it from solidifying. All of these different things are chemicals that are sort of X factors for our health. In order to accomplish all the cleaning in your home that you need, you just need 4 simple ingredients: plain vinegar, plain Castile soap, baking soda, and hydrogen peroxide. You can do everything you need to do cleaning with just those materials. Castile soap, it's a soap that's made out of basic biological ingredients. It doesn't have a lot of chemical detergents in it or anything like that, and it will do the same thing that any detergent will do, and it will do it with safer ingredients. Baking soda is another wonderful cleaning product. It's cheap, it's easy, you can use it to absorb odors, you can mix it with a little bit of soap to create a paste, and that'll clean your bathroom and your countertops. Vinegar is kind of a magical cleaning product. Its basic property is that it absorbs odors. It's also a solvent, so if you have a gooey, sticky mess and you want something to clean that up, you can go to vinegar first. So I'd encourage you to try vinegar as a spray cleaner for your windows. You might add it to your rinse cycle in your clothes washing, and it'll absorb odors that way, and I promise you it won't smell like vinegar afterwards. Peroxide is another great material. Just the brown bottle that you might get in the healthcare aisle is already mixed to a formula that's great for killing germs. So if you want to sanitize your countertops and kill germs to 99.9% effectiveness, you can just use that hydrogen peroxide, and it breaks down harmlessly in the environment. The trick with that stuff is that you want to spray it onto the surfaces and then leave it. Just let it sit there for 10 minutes, do its work, kill the germs before you wipe it up. Practically any household task that you need to clean for, you just need these simple ingredients: baking soda, vinegar, soap, hydrogen peroxide, and there's one I've forgotten, and that's elbow grease. If you don't have those artificial ingredients in your cleaning supplies, sometimes it just takes a little bit more elbow grease, a little bit more scrubbing to get the job done, but it'll still get the job done.